It's a chili. It's a soup. It's Papa Jim's chili bean soup. Hi, I'm ChefSkipHansen. My dad, Papa Jim, made his version of chili and beans 60 years ago, like a soup, and it's easy to make. We're going to make it starting with an 8 to 10 ounce ground beef patty. It's going to brown much better this way. First, heat a nice big saucepan, screaming hot. Add some canola oil. I said screaming hot. And then drop in your ground beef patty. Leave it alone for 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Now this 3 to 4 minutes is going to give it time to get nice and brown. So grab your spatula, turn it over, and then do the same on the other side. Give it a little season, salt and pepper. Then add 2 slices of diced bacon. Give it a stir it around to start cooking. Now take your favorite choppy tool and chop it up. Add about half a cup of diced onions, half a cup of diced celery, and then get everything nice and friendly. For the spices, add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, a tablespoon of chili powder of your choice, half a teaspoon of paprika, and this seasons the meat because after all, chili is seasoned meat. Give it a stir. And now 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and stir that in. Hit it with 1 cup of water to start deglazing the pan, scraping the bottom. Now let it simmer for just a few minutes, uncovered. And by the way, all the ingredients are listed below in the description. And while you're there, please hit subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Now let's add 1 can of diced tomatoes with the juice. And you're going to need to smash and stir it a bit. Add a couple of teaspoons of light brown sugar and stir that in. And then 1 cup of chicken stock with 1 cup of beef stock. And then about 1 to 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire, depending on your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of veal demi-glace. Now if you don't have that, just use a bullion cube. Lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Add 1½ cups of cooked red kidney beans. Cover, and let simmer another 15 minutes or so. Now an important part, give it a taste, and then re-season with salt and pepper if needed. Now it didn't in this case, but it did need a little more heat, so I'm adding a few shakes of Tabasco sauce. And that should do it. Papa Jim's chili bean soup. So serve, ladle into a big bowl, and garnish with your favorite shredded cheese. I use shredded sharp cheddar cheese here. Some chopped green onions, and then sour cream or a spicy Sriracha crema. Ingredients are listed below, by the way. Some cilantro, and then either tortilla chips or, in my case here, I had some Fritos laying around. And there you have it. Papa Jim's chili bean soup. And it's a great old recipe for a full meal soup that you can make during the week in less than an hour. Ingredients are listed below in the description, by the way. And please hit subscribe, like, and the bell button to be notified of new posts. Thanks for watching.